Greetings to you all, and welcome to another tutorial by Kato James Kalemba. In this tutorial, we are going to look at SupportXDR. Basically, what is SupportXDR? SupportXDR is a productive tool designed to help users organize and manage resources through a comprehensive dashboard system. It offers features such as bookmarking for URLs, apps, and notes with advanced filtering and tagging options. And as you can see here, this is the platform for SupportXDR, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can access it easy. So SupportXDR is basically a bookmarking and resource management tool. This platform is beneficial for managed let's see here, it is beneficial for managed service providers, business owners and readers, and online educators and students. Basically what it does, it helps you to access most of your online websites or tools faster and easily. It helps you to organize URLs and apps you mostly interact with. Yeah, so in this tutorial, we are going to see a lot of things and how to get started with the SupportXDR, including downloading an extension for you to get started and signing up or logging in if at all you have an account with them. A good news is that this platform can be used it has a free version which goes up to 6 months. Then you have an option to upgrade to a pro version. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you don't have any account, you can let me first log out so we can start from scratch. Let me first log out. And yeah, I'm not logged in. So if at all you don't have an account, you'll have to come here and create one. Steps are very straightforward. You just have to put your full name, enter your email address, enter your password, then you have to confirm it. But if at all you have an account like I am, because I already have an account, I will just come here and I say already registered. I'll just click here, then I'll come here and log in. So I will put my email and password. Okay, as if okay, let me just log in with my Google account. Okay, and I think it's the one I used. Okay, so now when you are done logging in, this is the dashboard you will get. So it has an option for you to change the theme. Either you can work with the light mode or you can work in darker mode. I mainly prefer working in darker mode, so I'm going to leave it in dark mode, but you can click here to change to light mode and you can change it to darker mode. So we are going to begin with installing an extension for easy use of this platform. So I'm gonna click here to install extension. It has extensions for all of browsers. You may be using Brave, or you are using Mozilla Firefox. You can install extension based on the browser you are using. So for me, I'm using Google Chrome, so I'm gonna install the one for Google Chrome. I'll just come here. I'll just click to install extension. You don't have to specify the browser you are using. The moment you click on install extension for it to detect the browser you are using, and it will open in that browser. So I'm gonna click to install extension. Then we click here to add to Chrome. Then I'll say add extension. Let's give it some time. It is now done. So after, I will just click here and pin my extension. It is here, SupportXDR. I'll pin it, and it's now here. It's now here, so we can now use it to add different websites in my SupportXDR. So the next step is for you to create a dashboard. Basically, a dashboard is like your project in SupportXDR, where you are going to have, for example, if I'm a software engineer, and their website maybe, for example, ChatGPT, and maybe other courses I'm learning. I will like, it helps me not to be searching for those courses each and every day. I will just have to create maybe a dashboard and name it software engineer, or maybe software engineering courses, and I'll put all those links in that dashboard. Let's see how we can go about it. So I'm gonna click here to new dashboard. Then when you click on new dashboard, you choose the dashboard type. Basically, when you choose personal, it means you can't share that project or that dashboard with someone else. So it's better you choose organization. Yeah. So when you choose organization, okay, let's just say we are creating for person, because when you say organization, you do of course have to specify which organization, but of course this one doesn't have any effect. Yeah, you can put anything even if the organization doesn't exist. So okay, let me go with this one, organization. Then I will go to next. Then it will ask me what is the name of that dashboard, like which name do I want to give my dashboard. So let me say maybe currently I'm learning how to develop applications using Flutterflow, and what I'm gonna do, I'm going to say Flutterflow. Maybe I want my dashboard to be called Flutterflow. So everything that is related to Flutterflow, everything I'm learning or I'm using in my life of Flutterflow will be in this dashboard. So you can come here and give a description, but this description is optional. You can do without it. So you can click here to change to change this background. Yeah, it is more of a thumbnail, something like that. So you can either leave this one that is created by default, or you can click, maybe like, for example, if I'm like this one, if I say I'm doing for Flutterflow, I can put here a logo of Flutterflow. Yeah, but you can as well leave it. So I'm gonna leave it, and then I'm not going to put this description for now. Maybe I'll put it later. Then I'll say create dashboard, and my dashboard is created, and here it is. So when you have just created a dashboard, it will be very blank, like blank, because you have not added anything. So you can click here to edit. Maybe if at all you want to add maybe a description, or if you want to delete it, you click here to delete this dashboard. If you want to share it with someone, you click here, then you put an email, like email of that person you want to share the dashboard with, or you can click here to share a link. But if you are sharing a link, you of course have to change this one, to toggle this one to active. You have to make this one active by clicking here. But me, I don't want to share it, so I will just disable it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Sorry about that. I'm going to go to ChatGPT and look for links of resources that I can use to run Flutterflow, so we can see what we are like we can see what we want to achieve here. Okay, so I'm going to come here to ChatGPT. So I'm going to put a query, list maybe 30 website URLs for, or maybe where I can learn Flutterflow. Yeah. Let's wait for it to. Okay. So basically, what I'm doing, I'm looking for websites where I can learn Flutterflow. Flutterflow is basically a no-code tool used to develop websites and web applications, but it is built on that programming language. Basically, it helps you to develop websites or applications without writing any single code. So I think it is done. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open these links. Some of them are basically not links. Basically what I'm doing, I'm opening all these links so we can see how we can add them in our SupportXDR. Yeah, because it doesn't make any sense for you to be coming every day looking, searching for this, for maybe these websites. It's a bit tiresome and it takes a lot of time. So it's better you keep them in one location so you can access them anytime you want. Yeah. So basically, I'm opening all these links. I think I'm getting done. Okay. Okay. I think I'm getting done. Okay. Yeah, I think we can stop here. So basically now these are the websites. These are the websites we can use. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all these websites in my dashboard I have created, which I have named Flutterflow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my extension by clicking on it here. So it is fetching data. Let me give it some time. Okay. So here it tells me that there are 23 active tabs. So I'm going to click here for it to display all those tabs that are open. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all of them, but some of them are actually not about them because there are some tabs that are opened, like this one, ChatGPT. I think these others are all inclusive. Yeah. So then the next step is for you to save, to select. Then when you save to select, it will ask you where do you want to save them. Remember, first we want to save them in our dashboard called the Flutterflow. So I'm gonna click here, Flutterflow. Then I'll say save 21. So basically what we have done, we have saved all these links in our dashboard called the Flutterflow. So when I go back here, and I refresh, I will basically have all of these websites, URL to all of these websites in my dashboard. You guys can see them, so you can click here to change how they display. I prefer displaying like this. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to close now. I'm going to close all of these tabs. I'm going to just right click and say close all tabs. Yeah. So now this saves time. As I said earlier, it's like it helps you not to waste time looking for all of these websites every time I want to access them. So now the next time I want to access them, I'll just come to my SupportXDR. I go to a dashboard called the Flutterflow. Then I've just click here and I start accessing them one by one. So you guys, you can see how actually SupportXDR helps you to ease your life, your online life. Yeah. So basically this is all about SupportXDR. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can create an account and get started with it. Yeah, so thank you for watching and I wish you all the best. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more tutorials. Thank you.